Hey guys, it's Sandy. This video is going to be a beauty haul because, well, why not? So a couple weeks ago I did some makeup out in Beverly Hills for an event, and then afterwards I decided I would go to Naimie's and Nigel's. If you don't know what Naimie's or Nigel's is, they are beauty supply stores in like North Hollywood, Burbank-ish, California. Yeah, they are one of my favorite places to shop, to stock up on some things that I needed. I didn't really need it. I didn't. But I restocked some lashes for my kids, and mostly I got, wait, if I can get them out. Mostly I got these Demi Wispies. I like using these on people that aren't used to wearing lashes. So they're not overly dramatic, they're just, you know, your lashes, but a little bit better. So stocked up on that. And then I wanted to get some embryo lease. I have this for myself, but I wanted to get a small bottle to carry in my kit. It is a moisturizer, which can also be used as a primer. Very hydrating moisturizer. It's really, really good. One of my faves. It's for all skin types. Very, very lightweight. Next, I got... So I'd been debating for a while whether or not I was going to get this, but ultimately I decided that I needed it in my life. So I got the Anastasia Soft Glam palette. I swatched it one day when I was in Ulta, restocking, you know, something else. And that's when I decided I wanted it. So, I mean, it's neutrals. It's a very easy, everyday, you know, palette. But I swatched some of the shimmers and oh man. Then I also got a view set, an empty palette. I'm going to depot some MAC bullet lipsticks so that I can have this in my kit all consolidated in one place and not have to look through multiple palettes when I'm searching for a specific color. I also had to restock on my Beauty Blender soap because I was literally down to nothing. Oh, this is closed, but this thing is huge. That's what she said. It comes with this little thing to wash your brushes. And that's what that looks like. It's humongous. So restock on that. It's the second one I've purchased. Okay, so I got all that stuff at Naimie's, and then I stopped at Nigel's. That's my stove. That's my stove. To get the boyfriend some pomade, to restock his pomade, and then I also needed to get Inglot Duraline because I gave mine to my friend because I love that bitch, and she needed it, and I wasn't gonna go anytime soon at that particular point in time. So that's what I got there. I feel like, oh, I also got it Naimie's. I was just walking around and they had this little pouch and it had 2 beauty blenders, a mini beauty blender, and then a medium-sized beauty blender. Oh, and then it also came with a soap, which I love to have, a mini soap, which I love to have on deck for, you know, travel. So you got the original pink, and then a black one, and then a mini black, and then the medium size. I think this is for blush in gray. So I'm gonna stick these over here where I keep all my other beauty blenders. That wraps up this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe and hit that notification bell if you have not already, and I'll see you later. Bye.